Okay, hello, hello. This has got welcome to the stream again. This is going to be a very, very short stream. I am I basically need to leave my home in like 40 minutes. So uh, I just wanted to stream making a little fire extinguisher. Okay, let me actually begin right away. Right away, I'm gonna begin. So, hello everyone. Today's stream, well, it's gonna be less than an hour. This is only going to be about modeling a fire extinguisher. Why? Because yesterday night I added a small thing. Here it is. Here's my little extinguisher. Oops, I didn't turn on chat on the phone. No chats yet. Okay. So I made a little fire extinguisher because I was testing a usable interface that I have for my items. So right now you can oh yeah. Okay, my volume is too high, but doesn't matter. Right now you have this mock-up fire extinguisher that you can take, and when you right click you can use it. So it is like it basically what you do is when you right click on it, oh my god, the frame drops so much on the particle rendering. I have to reduce the number of particles maybe. Okay, so yeah, when you right click it turns into a jetpack, and it does go through walls right now, but I'm gonna try to fix that in a later stream. And I thought, it's just a capsule now, so let's turn it into an actual model. I wasn't actually planning making a fire extinguisher, but it could be a useful thing to have one around the station. So let's go straight into modeling. For now I'm gonna shut down Godot and start Blender. So let's go back into my Blender project. Alright, and in it I have I'm going to disable export tube. Instead I'm going to enable props. So here are my props. Right now these are all the props I have. I have a little light, and I have these boxes which are just random clutter. So let's add here a fire extinguisher. So what's going to be my fire? Oh, this is Twitter. Fire extinguisher. Yeah. So there are actually fire extinguishers on the ISS and development of. Oh yeah, I found some images of it, and there's also the fire extinguishers are chemical. Yeah, I actually found some mock-ups of models, but they have like this kind of, which is basically a capsule with some stuff on top, and you can actually you have this wand which you can this is used for racks, so you can put it into a rack receptacle and to extinguish a fire in a rack. So they have these okay, where is, oh, they don't have a panel here, but there are, I saw somewhere, oh yeah, there it is. They have these fire extinguishers, and yeah, there it is. It's like they have this fire point where you can jam this into. But actually Russian extinguishers, I'm gonna go with the Russian extinguishers. And they kind of look more cylindrical, more normal, and they have a little how do you call it? Almost like a window cleaning liquid thing on top. So maybe I'm thinking about going with that kind of a style. So let's start by maybe I'm gonna start from some typical look. Let's do a capsule to begin with. Let's see. Does it have a capsule? No, it doesn't. But we can do a cylinder. Let's do is 8 sides enough? Maybe do 12. maybe 12 sides is enough. Or maybe that's too much for my... yeah, let's go with 12. Or maybe I should find something in between, which is like 10. When you don't know which one, then you take the in between. All right, I have a 10-sided, and I'm just gonna quickly inset this and do it like this. You know, make a little capsule on top, instead of doing it the proper way of adding a sphere on top. Okay, we have a little capsule, and at the very top, what I can do is I can add this sort of a, you know, like a throat. As I said, I wasn't planning to have a fire extinguisher, but there we go. Okay, let's make everything smooth, shade smooth, and for the, yeah, let's make a little reflective material just so that we can see how that looks like. Well, I can actually use a matte cap, like this kind of a matte cap, but yeah, whoops. Yeah, eventually I am going to use this material, but draw a fire extinguisher on it. Okay, so for the bottom, let's do a few more cuts as well. I can do a more of a, yeah, maybe I should do like this sort of, yeah, you know what? Let's make this sharp. I'm gonna make this sharp, just so that we have some. Okay, and I'm gonna automatically add auto normals, auto smooth. Okay, there it is, except that I need to raise. There it is. Not bad. And maybe I can have this first polygon slightly wider. Maybe not. Yeah, let's actually let me add another one. Like, we don't have a lot to work with. I'm gonna clear this sharp. Okay, so that it's like, okay, we have the sharpness, slight sharpness at the top. All right, there we go. This is our primary model. And then for the top, they have this spray can. It's really weird. Soviet fire extinguisher. Let's see, what is there, some kind of a special thing? Yeah, they totally have different look than the Western ones. Maybe I'm gonna model something like this with a vent. Yeah, and it has this this nozzle which I can put in front. O2, that's the name. Okay, let's model something like this. So basically what they have is on top there is this vent. Okay, well, I can actually reduce this number of polygons to 8, but now let's do it like this. So there is this vent, and it will divide into 4 pieces, and there is this kind of a crown on top. Okay, and then we have the front part. There is a little octagon or hexagon. Let's do a 6-sided cylinder. Rotate. I don't know if this is some kind of a trigger on top or what is it. I have no idea how it works. Okay, I'm gonna make it a bit smaller, extrude, and then we have this like receptacle at the end. Okay, oops, wrong extension. And this one is also wrong. Something like that. Something like that. Okay. And then, well, how do you even use this nozzle? Do you need to point it? No, you probably raise it as well. There is an explanation, but I don't know. How do you use this kind of a nozzle? Do you bend it upwards? I'm confused. It looks like a metal pipe, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's a rubber. It's a rubber hose. Okay, let's make this nozzle. I'm gonna do a 10-sided again. Rotate 90. Oh, wrong. Rotate 90. Oh, accidentally extruded. Okay. It is pretty long, actually. So maybe when you use it, you should extend it. Huh? Is that how it should work? Perhaps that's the mode of operation. Okay, and let's make the whole thing thinner. Oh, and I need to make this centered. There it is. Okay, so the whole part that is this should be a lot thinner. Yeah, something like that. Let's extend it a bit. Good. Okay, now the nozzle should actually be bigger as well. But yeah, this is going to collide with my... No, let's make it actually shorter. Just for the sake of game, you know? Because this means that it would need to be longer in game. There we go. Okay, so we have the basic shape. I have 20 minutes left. Okay, let's unwrap it. Actually, let's see what happens if I just put a hotspot texture on. Dream UV hotspot. Boom, we actually have something that is already UV mapped. That actually looks pretty good. Now I just need to have a red metal hotspot. Okay, let's also apply scale. Maybe the scale is incorrect. Yeah, of course, this would need to be more pixelated. Okay, you know what? Let's make some hotspots really quickly. Yeah, but I think I'm going to need... Yeah, I'm gonna need a... Yeah, let's make a metal at least. What is the one that I have? Interior panels. Let's go with interior panels 2. Okay. And... Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, this one has all the seals as well. Let's save as metal hotspot. Okay, so this is going to be my generic metal. Let's add, yeah, let's remove those latches, bolts. Don't need bolts anymore. Can delete that. And I don't need latches anymore either. There we go. Delete that. Okay, what do we have left now? We have the bevel. That's the one that we do need. FBM noise. We can relieve some noise. But here's the thing. I'm not gonna blend anything, right? I'm just gonna get this one. Blending, multiple blending. Okay. So in albedo. Oh, sucks that I need to. Okay, I'm just gonna reroute this. Okay, and I'm gonna say this is albedo. Nothing happened still. Why is that? Why can't I see anything? Is it the roughness that gets broken? No? Is it the normal? No, the normal should be fine. The normal should be fine. Normal blend. Interesting. Yeah, I am blending some normals here, but I can't remember. Okay, so this one does nothing. That's for sure. And this is the final normal. Whoops. Damn. Okay. Maybe it's ambient occlusion? No? So what exactly is the problem now? Why doesn't it show at all? Maybe something needs to be... Let's just have a uniform here. Okay, there's obviously some problem with the output. Maybe it's broken. Okay, it is ambient occlusion. Something is wrong with the ambient occlusion. Oh, okay, I have this multiply. Okay, there we go. Actually, I'm just going to multiply with 1. So that was actually occlusion was adding stuff on top. Let's have occlusion. Which one is occlusion? Now I can't see. Okay, there we can actually zoom in. All right, here we go. I'm not going to have the uniform here. Instead, let's pass in this. Right, this is my albedo. Okay, there we go. But let's make metallic. Let's actually do like chromium. Yeah, let's do iron. And I'm gonna output albedo. This is albedo. No, is it? I don't know. I think so. Yeah, there's not much. Yeah, well, this should be 1, that's for sure. And the roughness should be less than that. But let's try to pass this. Okay, let's see what is this. It's a weird roughness. Okay, let's actually push in this one. And let's see what happens. Roughness. Okay, there's some random roughness for our metal. Not bad. But yeah, I'm not sure if I should actually have these panels. This looks actually great. Maybe I should keep it for something else. But for now, I actually just need some rust on the edges. Maybe I don't have time to do that. This actually looks really good with these like metallic panels that could be used for anything else. Okay, yeah, so I would like to add some edge dirt. I have the bevel. I have this. I'm adding occlusion. Okay, I have some, oh, it's really running slowly. Okay, I have some noise. That is being added into, okay. So let's actually add some roughness for the edges only. Let's try this. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do this thing, but I'm gonna, yeah, let's copy the tones. Let's copy the tones. And this is going to be added to the roughness. So roughness is up there. This is a blend that does nothing. Maybe what happens if I just put this in? Aha, it completely kills it. Okay, I think it's because I'm not actually clamping the input. So let's just clamp input for a moment. Clamp result. Is there any added roughness? Input minimum. Okay, let's move these. Let's move the ranges. Aha, there it is. Oh, this is perfect. This is exactly what I need. Accidentally. Accidentally exactly what I need. But I actually want to multiply this with a little roughness noise. So let's go with FBM. And I'm gonna add, let's do Perley noise again. Randomize. Okay, I'm gonna multiply this, so let's go with multiply output. Okay, there we go. Hard to see. Hard to see that. Let's see the difference between this. Okay, yeah, the difference is clear. But I would like to actually for it to be sharper. So let's add some contrast. Okay, brightness contrast. There we go. I'm gonna make it a little wider. Can I increase the contrast? Okay, there it is. Something like that. So the edges are bright. Are screwed up. But yeah, let's try not to add this into our final result. Okay, let's just see how this looks like. I'm gonna export. I'm gonna export for Godot. This is good. Why is it called interior panels? Metal hotspot. Okay, let's do that. Exporting material, and let's try that in Blender. I'm gonna create a new. I'm gonna call it metal hotspot. Okay. And then take load another image. Normal is not plugged. Is it? That's good noticing that. Oh, but normal actually just deepens the. Okay, maybe I don't need the normal. It's like it's a it's a smooth metal. But yeah, I actually don't need the edges. But let's actually try it with the edges. Example Atlas. No, let's. Where is my proj? Right, metal hotspot albedo. Okay, something like that. Oh, and it doesn't even have. This is it, but it's not even rendering. Let's try adding roughness. Wait. Oh yeah, the problem is that I can't even see. Can't even see it. Okay, so for roughness, I'm going to add this. And I'm going to say that ORM, but it's actually separate color. I should use separate color. This should be, what's the name of it? ORM. So R is green. Okay, we have something, but it's barely visible. Strange. Okay, well, the problem is I don't have time to test this. But here is what I'm going to do. Just super quickly. Okay, let me think. What can I do in 10 more minutes? Okay, let's make this. Into a different material. Let's add a fire extinguisher. No, that's actually going to be light fixture because I can add into the light fixture. Do I have light fixture as a material? I need to remember. Yeah, light fixture. It is actually. Yeah, so let's add here like a red uniform. Okay. So this is the final albedo. I'm going to add an extinguisher here. Okay. So can I have a rectangle or something? Can I have a shape? Star, curved star. There are no basic shapes. Like a rect. I just need a rect. How do I do this? How do I do a rect? Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, what am I using the image for? Oh, it has totally red piece. Why do I even have that? Yeah, I need to remember why am I doing this. Krita. Okay, let's go to Krita. Now it's going to be slower and slower, my computer. Jeez, and I literally have like 10 minutes. Okay. Icon, light fixture, yes. So what was I actually doing this with the red? I don't remember. I don't remember why I was actually using red. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a blue here. And that's going to be my my fire extinguisher. As a something like yeah, maybe I can do it here. How pixelated should it be? Maybe like this. Okay, so let's add a, how do I change color? Need to remember. Okay, how do I pick a color? How do I pick an exact color? I need to remember. Jesus. Okay, it's here. Right, 0. Okay, and I'm actually going to fill this with good, and I'm going to export this as... Yeah, this is the problem with using multiple textures. I wish I could actually tag this and say, because this was amount of green, right? And then I have amount of red. And what does amount of black do? I have no idea. Okay, well, okay, I wish just I could export that to PNG. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, and then what I can do is okay, actually I'm gonna add it as a separate texture, and yeah, let's do it like, let's do a, okay, here. Oh fuck. Fuck, how would I do this? Yeah, if I add this as red, it won't work. So this is gonna be my fire extinguisher. Okay, this is how I'm gonna do it. Fill layer. I'm gonna fill it with black. Okay. And I'm gonna take this rectangle. Okay, let me actually put this rectangle on top. Okay. Where is my rectangle? Oh, it's actually here. Okay, and I'm actually going to fill it with white. No, with red. There we go. Oh, it's not exactly red, but I don't have time now. And let's add a little like label that we have here. Do we have any labels? There, this is some label. Can I just drop it and create a please tell me you can. Insert this new layer. What? Remember, use local file. No, paste the attached bitmap. What the fuck? Okay, too many questions. And now it doesn't work. Okay, shit. Oh, no, it does work. It was just insert this new layer. Use local file. No, not that. No, not remember. Paste the attached bitmap. You will be asked for its profile. Okay, as web. I don't know. Too many questions. Come on. G to move. No, wait. Oh, I now I'm failing to remember what my... Oh, okay, it's too big. It's too big. So, yeah, I do W. Need to rescale. Okay, there it is. There it is. Perfect. Look how beautiful it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna apply this transformation. I'm gonna cut out that. Beautiful. And I'm gonna turn it into a layer. Wait, what is this? Okay, it's kind of, the selection is kind of weird. I'm gonna copy to a new layer. There we go. There we go. We have a beautiful marking. Okay, so I'm actually going to save this, and I'm going to export as a extinguisher. Fire extinguisher only. Something like this. Okay, and now what I can do is I can drop this into, okay, fire extinguisher. I'm going to drop it here. And I'm going to simply add, I'm going to, yeah, let's see, blend. Okay, let's blend these two. And I'm going to blend this and that. Albedo. Here we go, and I'm gonna blend with, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna add on top, additive. No, it's not additive. It's additive or screen. Okay, why doesn't this work? Because it's 1.1. No, there's something more. There's something more on top. Okay, slight problem. Okay, let's, did we have an update? Yes, we did. Okay, so I'm gonna actually use blue, decompose. This is blue. Okay, I'm gonna use blue as an opacity layer, and I'm just gonna do normal. There it is. There we have it. But why is actually albedo is, no, it's not. Okay, it's perfect. It's perfect. I think so. Okay. I have a feeling like albedo was it was less powerful before. Because my light fixture, you see, it has these lines. I don't see the lines anymore. Okay, I fucked up something. Why doesn't it actually oh, it's because of emission. This is why. Okay, well, this is good. Light fixture, I'm going to export material. I'm going to go with Godot again. Godot standard, light fixture. Okay. And I'm going to reload the texture. I need to go into UV editing, light fixture, there it is. And then I'm gonna just take this. Shit, it's actually weirdly, okay, it's actually weird. Okay, something like this. It's not, there's not enough. There's not enough. Okay, so this label should be way smaller. Let's actually see it in here. So something like this. Okay, and then I simply can rip these, and move this over here. Yeah, I'm just going to be dirty right now. Okay, I can put that here, I can put that here, I can put that here. There we go. Perfect. A perfect extinguisher. Okay. And this is going to be my fire extinguisher. Cool. Okay. That's it. Export. Let's make sure that the scale is correct. Where is it facing? It is facing forward, right? As it should be. Let's also kill rotation. That's good. Let's see. Export GLTF. Text. Oh, I need to export everything, of course. All the stuff. Limb space Godot, art, props. There it is. Okay, let's go to shit. Let's go. Okay, let me save this and shut down Material Maker. Let's go to Godot. Okay, it's going to probably load a new thing, a new item. There it is. Re-importing, let's go into GLB. What is the name of it? Art. There it is. Art, and there is props. Okay, here is it. Here it is. It is incorrect texture, but I'm going to overwrite that. So what does it say? Nodes. Okay, I'm going to use a special material for this one. Metal hotspot. Use external. I'm going to make a new one. No, yeah, let's actually drag in hotspot materials. I'm going to drag, not my captures. Where are my here it is. Okay, let's show. Open this. Open. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this. Cool, and now I have hotspot hotspot seals. No, what's the name of it? The name is metal. There it is. Metal hotspot. I'm gonna drop this into, let's make sure this is selected. I'm gonna drop it here. There it is. And it should work, hopefully. Okay, so let's go back to the props, and then materials. I'm gonna say that for metal hotspot, I'm gonna use a special art hotspot materials, metal hotspot. Okay. Okay, re-import. Did it work? I have no idea. Metal hotspot. It looks too dark. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now for the GLB. Why did that actually go out? Right, this should have been this cool metal texture, but I don't see it. Okay, so for the metal, I am using outside. Light fixture. Okay, so yeah, I need to update the light fixture. Light fixture. Is it this one? Emit ID? No, wait. It's just called light fixture. There it is. No, lights. What the fuck? I'm getting lost. Okay, there it is. Albedo, emissive, and something. What is this? NN. Okay. Light fixture. Oh! I'm not using a separate material, so let's actually import that as well. Well, this is not a hotspot, but I'm gonna add it as a hotspot for now. Come on, faster. Metal hotspot. I don't know what happened now. Where is shit? Did I click on the wrong thing? Hotspot light fixture. Okay, maybe I need to re-upload. Fuck, everything is fucked. Light fixture albedo. There it is. Okay, so this material, yeah, I have accidentally moved it. My god, I need to reorganize everything for better. No, not tube. I need props. Yeah, I should actually add these. Yeah, I'm actually afraid of moving files because Godot does not like moving files. Light fixture. Let's make it into a separate material, which is art light fixture. There it is. Okay, re-import. And I have no idea if it does use it. So let's try to, let's see, how does it look like? It does have the red thing. Oh, and I didn't actually make it shiny. I totally forgot about it. I should have made it shiny. Okay, so I'm just gonna drop in props. All of them. Oh shit, I forgot. Okay, another thing about... fuck. Another thing about Godot, you have to set mesh save paths, annoyingly. Meshes, set current folder. Oh shit, I didn't name it correctly. I need to re-export now. Damn it. Okay. Fire extinguisher. Okay. And now I have to re-export everything. Export props. GLTF. Props. Please work. There it is. But now it's gonna fuck up. Okay. Set mesh paths. Meshes. Select current folder. Fire extinguisher. Re-import. There we go. Hopefully this fixed it. Let's see. Is it any good? There it is. Oh, I actually already exported. So it is metal. It is metal. Let's make this local. Make local, and I'm actually going to turn the fire extinguisher into its own prefab. But you know what? Let's actually add it as a rigid body already. Rigid body, okay, and I'm gonna put it over on top of that fire extinguisher there, and this is gonna be a fire extinguisher. This is gonna be graph. Okay, and then turn this into a save branches scene, prefabs, fire extinguisher, save. Come on. Don't crash on me. Yes, there it is. And here we go. Here we have a fire extinguisher prefab. Oh, and the textures actually loaded as where are the textures? They should actually be pixelated. Geez, everything is working suddenly so slowly. That's what happens when you stream and when you really have to run. Seals, interior, lights fixture. It's light fixture, right? Why did it actually turn into a? It used to be pixelated. Import. Shit, I can't remember. It's actually in the material. I keep forgetting that. Come on, computer. Come on, computer. You can do it. You can do it. Sampling. Nearest. There we go. And also the metal should be sampled. But look at that. Metal hotspot. Sampling. Nearest. Good. There we go. And we also need to put this on a transform should be at 0. Transform should be at 0. This transform at 0. Good. And let's turn it into a fire extinguisher as well. But here I'm gonna take this fire extinguisher. Okay, and then I'm gonna move it. No, I'm actually going to. Is there a fire extinguisher? Yes, there is a CS. Good. I need the collision shape and I need the GPU particle. I'm gonna just quickly move it here. The GPU particles. Come on, where do you emit? Wrong side. Okay, so I think that this is actually gonna be wrong on the wrong side. Everything. Okay, let's actually move it around. This is GPU particles over there. Oh, wrong rotation. There we go. Let's put it at the end of the nozzle. Perfect. It's perfect. Needs to be slightly smaller. Okay, and I haven't made the body shiny, but I don't have time to change that now. I'm gonna just extend the collision. Here we go, slightly smaller, and I should also add one for the top. But for now, this is good enough. There we go, and it should work as a fire extinguisher when I add fire extinguisher. Quick load, fire extinguisher. And anything that is a GPU particle is going to be force multiplier. Yeah, I can actually change the force multiplier. Save that. Okay, and now I can destroy this one. Well, I'm not gonna, but I could do that. And there it is. We have a fire extinguisher. Let's try it, and then I have to run. Pretty particles. Hello, Pyrxos. So in less than an hour, I made a fire extinguisher. Good job for today. At least I made one thing for the game. Oh, and this thing. Okay, there we go. Right click, extinguish, perfect, except it's in the wrong, and something is wrong. I can't, oh yeah, of course, I need to use right click. It's totally out of, yeah, I actually need to change the pivot of items from items themselves. I need to be able to override the holding pivot and everything. But there it is. We have it. We can drop it. Oh, and it drops. It drops to the ground because it has gravity. I completely forgot to turn off gravity for it. Classic. Gravity scale 0. There we go. And let's see. Oh, and by the way, this I mean, it shouldn't. The particles shouldn't move all the time. I just enabled them to test where it is. But here it is. Okay, yeah. I mean, it would be cool to have it like fly around when it's turned on. Yeah, that's actually I have to implement that now. Not now, but the next time. Okay, but yeah, when you actually drop it, yeah, there it is. It's a totally working fire extinguisher. It doesn't have correct colliders, but there you go. Oh, and here's the old fire extinguisher as well. It's shinier. Oh, what is going on? Whoa, such an FPS drop. Okay, I'm guessing it's because I'm streaming and everything is, you know, there's too many softwares running. So there we go. We have a fire extinguisher done. And thank you for watching the stream. Now I have to run. And there we go. Done. Done. Come on. Come on, VS Code. Wake up. Finally. Okay. Yes. There we go. Yeah. Thanks for being on the stream. Goodbye. See you next time. I don't know where it's going to be. Maybe tonight. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Bye.